Hello guys, let's see that how we can put wiggle or floating kind of effect to our text. Write our text first. So that's Halloween. Now to see the more options for our layer, click on the arrow beside the layer. Then we will see animate. Click on the button. Then select position. As you can see that at animator 1 there is a button called add. Click on it, then go to selector, then wiggly. So there is now another option, wiggly sector 1, and there you can find the position. Hold your alt key and click on the stopwatch. Now we will put our expression here. It's a simple expression. Just write WIGGLE, then first bracket. Now we will put two values here. The first value is how many time it will wiggle per second. So let's put 3. That means it will wiggle 3 times per second. And the second value is that when it wiggle, how far each letter will displace from each other. Let's put 18 here. Let's see what we got so far. So that's looking cool. Now I will show you that how these two value can affect your animation. Let's change the first value to a higher value like 20. That means it will wiggle 20 times per second. So that's too fast. That means we will see a vibration here. Let's run. You see, it's vibrating like here. Let's put it back to 3. And second one is the displacement. Let's give it a higher value like 200. You will see it will go crazy like hell. So guys, just play with this number to get better result for your text animation. Thank you guys, see you on the next tutorial.